It's a beautiful day here in Cornwall. Join me in the greenhouse. I've been doing all sorts of things today. I've been taking the, I'll show you that in a bit. I've been taking the ivy off that chimney on the old workhouse, you know, the old wash house. I'll show it to you in a minute. But meanwhile, I've got all these babies from my spider plant. I'm going to pick the biggest ones and repot them for the animal charity shop. Animal rescue. Oh, there's a big one. There's a huge one. Or is it two? Let's have a look. Whoops, a daisy. Big one. Yeah, it's a shame. I'll put the rest in water, I think, till I get round to it. I could put two together, couldn't I? Let's put two together. Right. We'll have a nice big plant. So I've got. What I like to do is, I'm a bit of a skinflint. I don't like to get rid of all my proper pots to the animal rescue, so I make them have them in milk pots, milk and yogurt pots and things like that. Let's have a look. Yeah, so like I said, I'm a skinflint when it comes to my proper pots. So what I do is I cut the bottoms off milk cartons and things, save everything, like anything like that. Jelly pots, yogurt pots. I saved them all. I've got a dustbin full, absolutely full of these. And believe it or not, I use them all. Use them all, every single one. Look at them. Right, so let's get back to it. Now this compost, I'll show you. I'm not impressed. Now I've gone and bought 3 bags. Hang on, am I in the camera? Yes, I am. I'm not impressed. It's it says it's multi-purpose. I've got to use it. It's contains essential nutrients, encourages healthy plant. What? Perfect for most plant types, seeds and cuttings. Seeds and cuttings. Oh well, let's give it a whirl. Seeds and cuttings, give it a whirl. I don't like the look of it. It looks too, I don't know what the word is. There's too much fibre in it. You know, I don't know. Anyway, we'll have to use it. So, let's put a little one in there. I've mixed a bit of vermiculite with it, look, to make it look a bit nicer, you know. There you go. Now what I'll do is I'll put the rest of them in water till I get the chance to pot them up. It's very warm in here. Very warm. Anyway, I'll put that big one in there. There's a big one somewhere. Oops. It's a nice big one there. They can't get enough of these down at the animal rescue thrift shop. Can't get enough. Well, I've got a lot. So, yeah, I also set some hollyhocks, and I'm doing an experiment. Now, these hollyhock seeds are from this year's hollyhocks. They're really dry and they're really brown and they're just perfect. So let's see what happens. I'll keep you informed, because hollyhocks, I think they're a perennial. Anyway, whatever they are, they seem to take ages and ages to come through. So that I did Google it, and I think it said that you could set this year's seed for next year's, not next year's, but the year after plants. But anyway, we'll see. We'll see. Because these, where are they? Hollyhocks. Those are hollyhocks. And they will flower next year because they've made the plant, if you like, this year. So we'll see anyway. So I couldn't wait for the handyman, and this ivy on my chimney of the old wash house is driving me crazy because you can't see the chimney. So I want to take off as much as possible because it'll grow back and look all cutesy with its little bit of ivy, but I don't want too much ivy. So here I am risking life and limb, trying to get the ivy off. And I can't go too far up that ladder because I've got vertigo and I go all over the place. So, and I can't get on the roof because I've got vertigo and I might fall off it. So I'm just doing the best I can. Look at that, it's all coming off. Yeah, I have to wear a mask because I'm allergic to all the dust and spores and things that come off the ivy. Whenever I do a job like this or cut down a shrub or something, I always wear one of those masks. And if I don't, I always end up with like a sore throat, in the evening, so. So I've tried just about every tool in the shed. This is quite a sharp hoe, and that's working all right. Have you ever tried to get under ivy stalks? You need a knife or something to prise it away from the wall, and I can't get up there any further. Where there's a will, there's a way. So I've taken the ivy off one side, well, two sides really. Not too bad, is it? Can't reach the top. When the handyman comes, I'll get him to do it. This is the old work wash house. That's a ramp for the cat to go up onto the roof. So we'll see how that works out. Looks a lot better already. You couldn't see it was even a chimney. So here it is, the old wash house. It was built about 1900, so 125 years ago. Wouldn't it be fun to put a fire in there and a big pot, boiling water, and put some washing in there and sort of pretend you were back doing the washing in 1900? Wouldn't that be fun? Anyway, there we are. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I've enjoyed talking to you. I always do. And sending lots of love from the land of mist and legend, Cornwall.